Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Daniel's Public School, Bagpat Online Economics Classes Part 7, Class 12 Commerce. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear student, today we will discuss chapter number 7, Aggregate Demand, which is from Macroeconomics book. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed what is the meaning of aggregate supply, and we have also discussed aggregate supply with the help of schedule and diagram. But today we are going to discuss uh, the concept of consumption function. First of all, we will discuss consumption meaning of consumption function. Then after we will discuss consumption function with the help of schedule and diagram. See, what is the meaning of consumption function? Consumption function shows the functional relationship between consumption and national income. Means what is the consumption meaning of consumption function? Consumption function shows the functional relationship between consumption and national income. Symbolically, consumption function uh, can be represented in this form: C equal to Fy. Means C means consumption, F means functional relationship, Y means national income. Means you can say like this: consumption depends on national income. Consumption depends on the level of national income. Consumption depends on the level of national income. C equal to consumption, Y is equal to national income, F equal to functional relationship. I hope all of you have understood. After this, consumption function represents the, means what are the features of consumption functions. We are discussing features of consumption function. First feature, consumption function represents the willingness of household to purchase goods and services at a given level of income, during a given period. Means consumption function represents the willingness means planning of household to purchase goods and services at a given level of income during a given period. You can say during a given period of time, you can say during an accounting year. All these are same. See, next property, it also shows the consumption level at different levels of income in an economy. We will discuss this point with the help of schedule. It also shows the consumption level at different levels of income in an economy. See, next point, it is a psychological concept. Means consumption function is a psychological concept because as it is influenced by other factor like consumer preferences, habits, etc. It means that consumer depends on the level of national income as well as on consumer preferences as well as on habits. I hope all of you have understood. When consumption expenditure becomes equal to income, means you know that what is the formula of income. See, formula of y is equal to c plus s, and we are saying this y equal to c means saving is equal to 0. Means when saving is equal to 0, then y is equal to national, means national income will be equal to consumption expenditure. Means when consumption expenditure becomes equal to income and there is no saving means saving is 0, it is called break even point. So what is the definition of break even point? Break even point refers to that point at which consumption expenditure becomes equal to income and saving is 0. I hope definition of break even point is clear. See, what is consumption equation? Consumption function means C is equal to Fy. But what is consumption equation? See, C is equal to C bar plus By. C means total consumption. C bar means autonomous consumption. C bar means autonomous consumption. B means marginal propensity to consume. Y means national income. Means C represents to consumption. C bar represents to autonomous consumption, and B represents to marginal propensity. Y represents to marginal propensity to consume, and Y is equal to national income. Later we will discuss meaning of marginal propensity to consume. But you know the meaning of consumption, you know the meaning of national income, but you don't know Meaning of autonomous consumption. What is autonomous consumption? It is defined as minimum consumption. It is defined as minimum consumption when income is zero. It is defined as minimum consumption when income is zero. Means it is defined as positive minimum consumption. It is a minimum positive consumption when income is zero. See, I hope features of consumption functions are clear. See, after this, a relation between consumption and income. A relation between consumption and income is shown in schedule and diagram. First of all, relation between consumption and function means there is positive relationship. There is positive relationship between consumption and income. Means national income increases, consumption also increases. National income decreases, consumption also decreases. Means positive relationship exists between consumption and the level of national income. I hope all of you have understood. But now we are going to discuss this relationship with the help of schedule and diagram. With the help of schedule and diagram. See here. See, this is schedule. Now, first of all, you will take income, then after you will take consumption. See, you will start value of income from 0, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. All of you are aware from this. How will you take value of income? Then after, all of you are aware from the value of consumption, because all of you know that how will you take value of consumption. See, at zero level of income, positive consumption is rupee 40. Means this 40 rupees consumption expenditure will be considered as an autonomous consumption. Means 40 means after this you will increase consumption at a constant rate. At constant rate is equal to rupee 80. See, 40 plus 80, 120, 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 80, 280, 280 plus 80, 280 plus 80, 360, 360 plus 80, 440, 440 plus 80, 520. I hope all of you have understood. See, we have already discussed positive relationship exists between income and consumption. See, income is increasing, level of income is increasing. See, level of consumption is also increasing. Means positive relationship exists between income and consumption. See, after this we will show diagram. We can say that after this we are trying to understand relation between consumption and national income. See, you see here, income is starting from 0. See here, income is starting from 0. So in means income line. See here, income line will drawn from the origin. See, or you can say will start from the origin. This is the income line. And see, at zero level of income, positive consumption is 0. Oh sorry, for rupee 40 means consumption curve will start from the y-axis. Consumption curve will start from the positive y-axis. See, at zero level of income, positive consumption is OC. Means OC represents, or you can say OC indicates autonomous consumption. And see, or you can say OC represents autonomous consumption, and autonomous consumption is denoted by C bar. Autonomous consumption in this diagram is OC, and autonomous consumption denoted by C bar. See here, at point E, consumption is equal to income, because both are intersecting each other. Means consumption and income line, means income line and consumption line are intersecting each other. At point E means consumption equal to income. Means at E point saving is 0. See, after, so this is the break even point. Because consumption is equal to income and saving is 0. See, after point E, after break even point, see, consumption is less than income. See, consumption is less than income. Means saving is positive here. See, before break even point. See, before break even point, consumption is greater than income, consumption is greater than income, consumption is greater than income means saving is negative, saving is negative here. Here saving is negative means this saving, at E point saving is 0, and after break even point means point E is also known as break even point, because consumption at this point consumption is equal to income and saving is 0 after break even point. After break even point means point E, consumption is less than income means saving is positive here, saving is 0 here, and you can say after point T saving is positive, at point T saving is 0, before point T saving is negative means this saving. Now after this we will explain this diagram. After this we will explain this diagram. See, the above diagram shows following point. The above diagram shows following point.